Today, I think I'm gonna do the challenge game. Like, you don't touch purple like that. Okay, guys, what did I want to touch to? I think I'm gonna not touch blue because there's no blue here. Oh, okay. I need to be careful around that Labubu. Yeah, this is on Labubu. Yeah, Labubu is so okay. Shut up. Oh yes. So today, if I get damaged and I turn Labubu and if I turn blue to Labubu blue, I'll die. I'm gonna leave and play another game. I don't wanna get blue. Okay, this is not blue, guys. Okay. Okay, look, this is not blue. Okay. I'm just telling y'all. I think I'm gonna not touch something. Okay, this is the hardest part, guys. You need to dodge this, cause I know. Wah! Okay. Oh my gosh. No! I don't want to get turned blue. Okay. If I turn blue, it's gonna change. Okay. I'm not cheating. Okay? I'm not cheating. Not cheating, okay? If I play like that, if I turn blue, nagkamali lang kasi. It's accidentally. I accidentally say that. If I touch blue, I don't need to die again. Because if I die, wow, that's so cool. What did they do that? Okay, this is my hardest part. Yeah! Yes! Oh my god, Am I crying right now, bro? Yeah! Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes. So, yeah. Dahil pag nag-cause damage kayo, magta-turn kayo sa Labubu. So, if you want to add me, my name is Bella Girl. My line siya, line. Yeah. Skip naman ito. No, this is it. Yeah, I'm actually magaling ako sa base na to. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, di ko to kaya dahil so, ngayon nag-turn ako ng blue. Kailangan natin mag-change lang ng game. So, what game? Anong game? Stage tower, movie tower, down tower. Wow! May paboritong challenger. Pumasok naman ako. Yes, queen. So guys, may isang upload ko lang yun dahil hindi ako naka-upload. So, hindi ko siya na hindi ko siya ba to? upload sa isang upload ko lang kasi yun. So guys, saan dito? Saan dito guys? Dito? Yes. Oh, doon. Oh, yes. Yes, please. So guys, paano ba yun? Paano ba yun yung bellhop? Uy, OMG, gusto ko ta. Okay, Jenga Tower, mahirap yun Jenga Tower dahil please, papasukin niyo ako. Hindi ko please, papasukin niyo ako. Ah! OMG! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Am I freaking right now? Am I freaking doing that? Oh my gosh. Guys, di ba na? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh god, oh god. Okay, ganito diba? Oh, di ba? Gaganong-ganon niya lang. Oh. Lipat na tayo. Yes. So, guys. Kain lang ako. Don't worry, mag-relax. Dance. Putting eye good enough. Hey, I'm not dancing. Get me out of here. Out of here! Push. So I'm starting with like green light.
Lang.